Mathematics is a field of study that deals with the logical and precise manipulation of numbers, quantities, and shapes. It is often considered a fundamental and universal language of reasoning and problem solving. Mathematics encompasses a wide range of topics, including arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, probability, statistics, and more. At its core, mathematics is concerned with abstract concepts and structures and their relationships. It provides tools and methods for analyzing and understanding patterns, formulating and testing hypotheses, making predictions, and solving problems. Mathematics plays a vital role in various scientific, technological, and practical domains, including physics, engineering, economics, computer science, and finance. Mathematics has its roots in ancient civilizations and has developed over centuries through the contributions of numerous mathematicians. It provides a rigorous framework for logical reasoning and proof, allowing mathematicians to establish the valid. The field continues to evolve, with ongoing research and discoveries expanding the frontiers of mathematical knowledge. In addition to its practical applications, mathematics is also appreciated for its beauty and elegance. Mathematicians often seek to uncover deep and elegant patterns, structures, and relationships within the mathematical world. This aesthetic aspect of mathematics contributes to its appeal and inspires further exploration and discovery.